Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, now for our school theme song. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One star for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one star for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One star for school, the greatest school. 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 Awesome. Good job. Let's take a look at today's plan. This morning for math, you are doing a mandatory freckle assignment. And for language arts, you are sharing your subtopic and the favorite fact that you've learned about your subtopic on a Flipgrid. And make sure that you are listening to the final chapter of Winn-Dixie by the end of today. Your may-dos are the same, but remember that today for writing, you can write your Friday letter to me and I will write back. It's also important to note that your parents are getting an email today with feedback that has everything about your progress this past week in math and language arts. So make sure that they share that information with you to see what you did really great on and what you can show a bit of improvement on next week. Today is also your last day to complete your rainbow scavenger hunt. We have a lot of great Flipgrids showing us everything rainbow that people found in their houses. So today is your last day to complete that. Also, today is your last day to share your helping hero of the week. So remember, our heroes of the week were doctors, nurses, and all healthcare professionals. So feel free to either email me a picture or have your parents tweet it out on Twitter and tag Warnsdorfer EB. Remember also that this is your last day to show kindness in your community and submit it to me so we can share it with the class, trying to make our community a little bit brighter during this scary time. Okay, now for our Feel Good Friday notes. Bella, I love how much you taught me about baby cubs. Adrian, I was so glad to see you on our Monday Zoom. Haley, you are doing a fantastic job with the math assignments. Mia Gann, you did an awesome job synthesizing your information. Abby, you shared your math work in such a creative way. Bowen, you made me laugh during our Zoom meeting on Monday. Isha, you're doing a nice job on Freckle. Tael, you taught me so much about elephants this week. Noah, you did a fantastic job on your elephant research. I am so proud. Joshua, I love your Flipgrid videos from your basement. It seems awesome. Mia M., you are doing an awesome job with distance learning. Jackson, great work on our rainbow scavenger hunt. Priya, you are doing a great job on Freckle. Bradley, I love how hard you worked on your animal research. Leia, keep up the good work during distance learning. Ashley, I am so proud of all the hard work you did this week. Nick, great job on your drag racing assignments. Harry, sometimes I like your answer to my joke and riddles better than the actual answers. Larry, excellent job on your animal research. Very impressive. Isabella, I loved seeing you on our Zoom meeting. Ronan, awesome job with our rainbow scavenger hunt. You are the scavenger hunt king. You guys all have done an amazing job this week. I'm really proud of all the work you have done so far, and I know that you'll continue to do this awesome, awesome work. So keep up the good work and have a nice weekend.